guys, in this episode you're going to see a video of the Red Arrows of the Royal Air Force UK performing their aerobatic maneuvers on top of skies Bandar Enstek, Negeri Sembilan. Check it out.
Hello, Dad. Ni orang tengah lepak kat rumah Zari. Naik sini sini. Oh, dia cantik. Dia pecahkan bini ni. Memang kita depan ni. Lumayan lah. Tak. Ni boleh dua lah.
So guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed the information that I shared with you guys and girls. Please leave some comments below. I would love if you would share some comments and feedbacks and suggestions or maybe ideas or what you would like me to share with you guys. I'd love to hear from you guys. Please hit the subscribe button and share. Thank you very much. Hi guys, I'm Zari Zamri. Welcome to my channel, The Flying Spanner. Hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more and get updates on all things aviation, aircraft maintenance engineering related stuff, tech stuff, my travel tips and recommendations every week, especially for aviation enthusiasts and aircraft engineering fans. Check it out. Thank you.